Hi everyone, today we're doing a video on how to do eyebrows. Now to get started, I'm going to show you what I do to get them kind of in shape. My eyebrows are really patchy. I have been doing my eyebrows since I was like 10, or I guess I've had help with my eyebrows since I was 10. I started off with a unibrow, fun fact, and now I have these. From tweezing my eyebrows for so long, they have become this. I do keep them up pretty regularly. I used to get them threaded, I used to get them waxed, and now I just do them myself because they need a lot of attention. And I have really light skin and really dark hair, so this is what I do. A lot of people have been asking about my eyebrows lately, so that means one of two things: they're either really good or really bad. So I'm gonna think that they're really good, hopefully. So, I'm playing with camera angles also on my channel, so let me know what you think of this. It is kind of an awkward angle, but I figured since we're focusing on the top half of my face, maybe it would be better to have the camera further up. But anyway, I'm going to start now by tweezing them. And all I try to do is just make sure that there's no like little hairs like underneath and then above them. And I also have old man eyebrows, so I have to trim them every once in a while too because they get out of control. I don't think everyone has high maintenance eyebrows like I do, but I'm very meticulous about them because eyebrows are way more important than people also give them credit for. They're way underrated. They're like face framers, so if they suck, it's just gonna make your whole face off. I don't know. But anyway, I do like to trim them up. Again, just keeping the shape of what they already are. And what I'm doing is I'm just going around and I push up also the hairs that are already there. And whatever seems out of line to the arch of my eyebrow, I just trim them with these tiny scissors. So yeah, I'm just, as you can see, that's what they look like. And then I put the scissors away and basically just dust up with tweezers like underneath them and in between them. My unibrow is gone now pretty much, but I do get a few stray hairs because it used to be there, but luckily for me, it's gone. If you do tweeze or wax a certain part of your eyebrow enough, the hair will still grow, but it will grow less and less each time. This isn't for everyone, but it is something that I've noticed with myself, and I've talked with friends about this. And okay, so I did the eyebrows. What I did is I shaped them up with the tweezers and I trimmed them up with the scissors. And so this is what I have now. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to put on some makeup, and then I'm going to do my eyebrows last so you guys can see how I fill in my eyebrows. But I will be back in a little bit with everything on but my eyebrows. Be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and this is what I look like without eyebrows, just to show like how much of a difference eyebrows make and what you look like. I mean, this doesn't look bad, but we can make it look a lot better with some eyebrows on. So what I use is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. And I really like this one. The Brow Wiz is really good as well. However, there's a design flaw and it breaks really easily. So I don't buy it anymore because it breaks. And every time I get it, it breaks. And I'm like, hey, if I'm spending over $20 for a product for my eyebrows, it should not break. Thank you. So anyway, yeah, I use this first, and what I do is I just use, since I'm doing this on camera, I'm using this tiny mirror, but I just kind of follow the outline and go back and forth of my eyebrow. gonna try not to fill it in anywhere past where the inside of my my eyeball is. So nothing past this forward. I try not to fill that in. And then I'm gonna do the other one. And see, just notice like the difference already. Like, hello. Yeah, it's just crazy. Oh, and I'm using the color dark brown. I have used all the darker colors because I do like my eyebrows to be dark because my natural hair is so dark. So I like for them to match, you know. So yeah, and again, just kind of going like back and forth and filling in the line. And one of my eyebrows is higher than the other one. This one is definitely the higher, more arched one than this one. It's just the way it is. Everyone has one eyebrow that's slightly higher, lower, a little bit different. You want them to look like sisters, not twins. So this one's thicker, but this one's higher. So I try to kind of like match them up without getting too crazy. Okay, so on the other end of this brow definer is a little spoolie brush. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna kind of go in and make sure they look good. This one is actually my problem brow, and it actually is doing good for me today, which is surprising. Okay, so that looks a lot better than what we had to begin with. And then next, what I use is something to just make them look like more natural and more uniform. And this is the Gimme Brow by Benefit. And I'm using the darkest shade they have, which is 6. And this is like a brow tamer gel because I have crazy eyebrows. I guess if you were a guy, this would be good too if you want to make your eyebrows darker in some spots without wearing makeup, because this is just like a brow gel. So there's one. Okay, and just like, that looks so much better, doesn't it? Or at least I think it is. And again, I did this video because I've been getting a lot of questions about my eyebrows lately. So either good or bad, I don't know. Maybe I'm one of those crazy people with the block eyebrows that are walking around and no one says anything. If you know someone and they're walking around with crazy eyebrows, please tell them. They would probably benefit more from you telling them and them fixing them than later on, 50 years down the road, figuring out, hey, why did I do my eyebrows like that? I look like an idiot. So if you know someone that needs help with their eyebrows, tell them with kindness. All right? That's all. All right, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you learned something. And I'm always accepting requests. If you want me to do a tutorial on something different, let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye.